Okay guys, I'm just gonna try and plan out how to make a coil gun. I have tried to, the problem is I need a way for the bullet to actually, for the electromagnet to automatically shut off when the tip of the bullet reaches the middle of the coil. That means that it will stop being propelled, and so it will stop being attracted to the coil and stop slowing down, and it will carry on forward. So let's get started. Right, I'm just going to draw out the coil here. So there's the ends of the coil. This is the inner tube, and here are the coil, etc. Right, those are the windings of the coil. This is the inner tube. This is like a split section. And here we have a bullet, and that is going to be I'm going to use cut off ends of M4 bolts, so they'll be 4mm in diameter. Right, so as soon as the tip of this bullet reaches the middle, I just make that as the middle of the coil gun. It's annoying because this thing is much wider than 4mm, but I think I might be able to do it. We need a contact. What I'm thinking is putting some foil, just foil, standard foil inside of the coil, and when this will be flat against the side, the edge of the roll. And when the bolt comes through, it will pass along the foil, and it will be attracted. Wait. What do I need? Is it the tip of the bolt? Because when the tip's there, the majority of it's being pulled, but it will start the bit that travels past the middle of the coil. It will be attracted this direction, which we do not want. We want it to stop as soon as it gets to the direct middle. And how can we do that? A way to sense if the bullet is there is to have foil, and when the bullet touches the foil, electrical conduction will be there. But then we will need a really snug fit against the bullet so that we can have foil on the top, foil on the bottom, and as soon as the tip touches, maybe just a small thin piece of foil on the top and the bottom. When the tip of the bullet touches, this is a zoomed in bit, the tip of the bullet touches it, it will allow current to pass, so allow electricity to pass through it, and that will stop. Okay, I think I have an idea. So what we have is the positive rail here and the negative rail from the 18-volt battery. I might use 18-volt, I might use 9 volts, I'm not sure. And then this should lead off to the coil, and then to the ground, and also if it leads to, so I'll have insulated wire leading to the foil here and foil there. Okay, this is probably not making sense, but I think I have an idea that will work. We'll have the coil. This is the split section. So this is just the wires going round, and then we have foil here and here. This is directly, it starts directly in the center of the thing. We have the bullet, and we put it in, and then we have this foil leading outwards there, and then this is one end of the wire and the other end of the wire, and then we join them together, and then we lead that to the positive rail here, negative rail, and 18 volts. Okay, so the electricity will come to this junction, and then the voltage would split. The voltage would go through to the foil, through the bolt, and then back down to the negative. Yeah, back to the negative instead of through the coil, or will it go through? No, it will go through both, right? Positive through the foil, through the bolt, down there, and then positive through the coil, back down and through to the negative. But that depends on current and resistance. That wire, because it's so much of that wire in comparison, that'd be high resistance. So that one would be much weaker than this, but would it be weak enough? Well, I suppose there's only one way to find out.